there. So he goes something like this. Who takes my next question? Karan, you're from Dubai, right? Tell me the concept of leverage and compare it with a whack. Good observation. Good afternoon. Today, we're going to see how the US has basically destroyed wealth. I have been predicting this since quite some time now. Considering the fast economy that they are in, it had to slow down at some point in time. And America has always been a pappu. He's been muscular, he's been popular, but can't dance, Sala.